Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some exciting products to share with you today. And I'm like, oh my goodness, I like all of them, but I'm going to show you this one first, and then we'll just go through all of them. Now, there is one, let me kind of give you this heads up right now. There is one that you're going to see it, and you're going to go, oh, wow, and you're going to say, oh, but that's too hard for me to make. Hey, you know the rule. If Stephanie's going to do it, you can do it, because if I'm going to do it, it has to be easy, right? I don't do difficult. I don't do complicated. I do fun and wow, right? That's it. And easy, definitely. So the first one, though, is our Dolphin Fold It. Now, the Dolphin Fold It does come with the cute little ball, and let me tell you, this dolphin is so adorable. Now, we do have another Dolphin Fold It, but this is a different size and a different form, or a different pose, I guess I should say. And the samples that I have to show you are adorable. The next item I have to show you, and I know it looks like nothing when I just show you the die, but it is, and so popular. You guys, I know you love them just as much as I do, is the Tri-Background Slimline. So we have Tri-Background A2 and we have Tri-Background Slimline. This is the Slimline. Again, of course, all of the pieces mix and match with the other Tri-Background Slimlines, so you can piece them together to make the perfect card for you. So here's an example of what it looks like. You get that awesome rainbow, dream big, and then you get these fun little flowers at the bottom, including an extra die that you can run through to add the little flower blossoms to the top. So cute. I have a lot of samples to show you on that one as well. And now this is the one I know you're going to say, I know, but trust me, you got to trust me on this one. I'm going to show you how to do it at the end of this video, so stay tuned. It is a gift bag insert die that goes inside your A2 or even your A7 cards, your 5x7 cards, and you can hide a gift card in it. Also, it does come with the words, "A treat for you." You're going to love this. You're going to love this. But first, let's look at our dolphins. So here we go. Let's add an extra big one. And look at this. How fun is this? Now, this is going to go in a bigger envelope than A2, right? But look how adorable and so cute this is. And by the way, this was Miller's favorite. He picked that one as his favorite. So here's just a regular sample of our cute little dolphin as a card. Love it. And here's one, ooh, with our happy summer. Isn't that awesome? So fun, ready to go. Let's go have some fun, right? Or on this one, this is our awesome 5x7. So much fun. This is the 5x7 card base. And look at how fun that is, ready to go. We have our cute little waves. We have our Steffi doll in there, ready to have some fun. Absolutely adorable. Oh, or just use a part of it and put it on an A2 size card. Just jumping out of that water, it says, "I'm flipping out." Isn't that cute? I love that with the little splatters of ink. Then, oh my goodness, this is probably Stephanie's favorite. This is Yvette. Look at how gorgeous that is. We have a lot going on here. A pink dolphin. Does it get better than a pink dolphin? I do not think so. So we also have the 5x7 stitched rectangles on here and the braided oval frame die set in the background. Doesn't that look beautiful? With also our hibiscus flowers from the tropical set. Love it. Now, let's look at our dream big, and then I'm going to show you how to do that one. Don't worry. Here we go. I love this die because not only is it very versatile, but you're going to mix and match with the other ones you already have, right? So here we go. And the best part about Slimlines is they fit in a standard business size envelope. We all have those laying around the house, don't we? Look at that. Dream big, dream big. Oh, this one's upside down. Look how cute that one is. Oh my goodness. Now, of course, there's a lot of pink on here because you know I love pink. But, ooh, look at this one. This one's Miller's favorite, of course, because he knows Nana loves pink, so he picked it. I love the black on there, though. Look how that black pops when you add that. And then here we go. This is even a little different. Dream big with a graduation theme. Absolutely awesome, right? And you don't have to use the rainbow if you don't want to, right? So you get to mix and match them, which is so fun because it does definitely make it more versatile, and you'll be using it more often. Now, let's look at our gift bag. Because let me just tell you, again, it is so dang easy, you're going to fall over. Ready? Here we go. This is what it looks like when you open it up. And there's a gift card in there. Yes, a gift card fits perfectly in there. Now, this one has some fun little fluff in there, but you don't need to put the fluff if you don't want to. But there, it also comes with a treat for you, which is so cute. Let me show you this again. It also even comes with, you guys, the 2 presents. Yeah. And an extra bow so you can put those on right away so you don't have to like die cut it again. Love it, right? Now, I'm going to show you a couple more, then I'm going to show you how easy it is, right? So here we go. Open it up. Ooh, a treat for you. And there's our cute little bag. Look at that, you guys. Look, watch. Folds flat for mailing. Look how flat that is. This one has a little fluff in it too, but it could fold even flatter than this. You open it up and there it is. Isn't that awesome? I totally love that. So simple. There it is. I love it. Here we go. A treat for you. Open it up. Imagine giving this to someone and having that gift card right in there. You could even hold it up like that if you want to so they could really make sure that they see it. Look at that. I mean, and what about a wow factor, right? That is going to be like, they're like, whoa, how'd you do that? It's standing up. Look at this. Ready? Happy birthday. Open it up. There's our gift bag. A treat for you. You could even add little twine around it to make it look like a little shopping bag if you wanted to. Now here is our A2 partial fold it. Watch this. Open it up. Ready? Ready? There it is. Oh, speaking of adding a cute little, there she added, who was this? Who is this? This is Yvette. Yvette added little just strips of paper. Strips of paper with a little tissue paper in there. Isn't that adorable? I love it. Oh, here's another one. Oh, A2 top fold. Are you ready for this? Open it up. Oh, there's our gift bag. Twine. Perfect, right? Now I know you're saying, Stephanie, I can't do that. Trust me, you can't. Because if I'm going to do it, you can do it. Ready? Here we go. Here we have, we're going to need an A2 card base or A7. And this is what it looks like when you die cut it. Now, the die cuts it and folds it for, the die cuts it and scores it for you. You have to fold it, but you have the score lines, right? So you're just going to fold it on those score lines. Doesn't really matter. You can have this is the top of the bag. You can have it fold in if you want it to be plain on this side, or have it fold out if you want it to have a cute little edge. I'll just fold it in for now. Fold that in. We're going to go like this. We're going to zigzag those. We're going to zigzag this one, just like that. Okay, look at that. See how simple that was? Now, on top of the flap, we're going to put our adhesive, right? So we're going to add some adhesive. I'm going to use my score tape, just like that. Add that right there on top of that tab. Peel that off, and we're going to go all the way around. Whoops, all the way around, and we're going to connect to that. That's it. Okay, now we have our cute little bag. There we go, right? Now, on these, we're just going to fold those in and fold those in. What we're going to do is we're going to take our card, we're going to open it up, and I did 2 colors. You could do either colors or whatever. It's all up to you. And I'm going to kind of like open it up a little. Did you see how I kind of opened it up? Because this is the trick. See, this is the bottom. See how they line up perfect? I am going to add adhesive to both. And you'd probably add more than I am, but let's do it this way so we can get it there. I'm going to show you, don't worry. Let me add adhesive to this side. Again, you guys, you know the rule. If it's not easy, Stephanie's not going to do it. Now I'm going to peel this one off. So that's sticky. I'm going to peel this one off. So that's sticky. Okay. They're right together. Look at that. They're right together. And I am going to just literally, you guys, this is so dang easy. It's like almost embarrassing. Find that fold, make sure it is perfectly on that score line. I'm going to put my finger in there to make it press down. There. Now I'm going to fold it up. Okay, come on, you guys. Ready? Ta-da! Is that like embarrassingly easy or what? I told you it was easy. Are you just like passing out right now? Look at that, you guys. Like, ta-da, done. Done. Throw my gift card in there, decorate my card, I'm ready to go. Told you, I told you. But the wow factor, hello, the wow factor, look at that. There's a bag in there. Decorate it all you want, but oh my goodness, is that just like almost embarrassing how easy it is? I know. My friends, guess what? If you are a club member, you are getting 15 to 20% off everything I just showed you. Everything. Score tape, yep, you got it. Totally Tiffany items, yep, you got it. 15 to 20% off every single day, every single item, every single order. Now, if you're brand new to us, make sure you subscribe on our YouTube channel. Click that little subscribe button and click the little bell. That'll notify you whenever we release a new video or when we go live. If you are not a club member, my friends, I highly recommend you join at least the Stamp Club. That gets you a brand new stamp set every single month sent to you automatically. Who doesn't love Happy Mail, right? Automatically for $13.99 a month. That includes the stamp set. then you are getting 15% off my entire website every single day, every single order, every single item. Now, does that mean just your first order that you place? No, every order, every item. Are there exclusions? No, they're not. It's everything, everything. How fun is that to say? I love saying it, everything. Also, you earn club points, you get anniversary gift certificates if you stay in a full year, and you also get freebies every couple months. We like to send out little freebies for our club members. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club and just watch the video. It's going to explain all the different clubs. We have the stamp club, we have the die hard club, we have the card kit club that comes in an awesome pink bottle, like this one right here. And we have the Fold It Club, our fastest growing club. So go to our website, check it out, and the hardest part's going to be deciding which one's the best for you. There are some of you that are in all of them, and they are Diamond Club members. Whoa! But go join one at least for now. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.